So now that the war in the Middle East essentially is over, ceasefire between Iran and Israel, the US and obviously Iran, what's going to happen now to financial markets? Let's go back to economic numbers. Let's have a look and see what will be driving markets. So the main assets I'm looking at are the ones that are going to protect you from a devaluation of currencies, the golds and the silvers. The fundamentals on golds are still strong, and in fact we bought it this morning at 33.31 on the low, because that is a discounted price to where really gold is going to go. So remember, there is a fundamental problem with the fiscal monetary system. There's a lack of confidence in fiat currencies, which is paper currencies, and a lack of confidence in government's ability to pay debt. Remember, Japan, US, UK are just borrowing more and more money to fund whatever they have to fund in their particular countries, and the investor and the trader is losing confidence and therefore demanding a higher yield on those bonds. In addition to that, China is dumping its bonds, or has dumped its US treasuries and moved into gold, and China's setting up the Shanghai Physical Gold Exchange. So you've got three gold exchanges. You've got COMEX in the US, you've got the LBMA in London, you've got the Shanghai Physical Gold Exchange. Now, in the COMEX paper exchange, what that's done is that as a futures exchange, that trades paper, not physical gold. However, there's more and more contracts are being converted from paper into actual physical delivery. So when that paper, when that contract is sent over to the LBMA, the London Bullion Markets Association, dealers in London, normally you would get delivery within a day or two, but delivery of gold has been stretched to around about 8 weeks to 10 weeks, and that is reflecting the stress in the gold market and the demand for gold. So as gold falls, that is the time to get involved. Geopolitically, when there were attacks on Iran and there was a war between Israel and Iran, gold spiked a little bit, but the fundamentals of gold are stronger than the geopolitical push that gold has benefited from recently. The other metal to watch is silver. Again, the fundamentals on silver are essentially going to drive it higher. So $36, $36.10, it is cheap. My target on silver is going to be round about the $40 level, or even moving up to $50. All of this obviously you can get on the gold group that we run, where we do analysis and fundamentals on markets, on gold, on silver, on indices, on stocks and on shares. If you want to join the gold group, then DM the